How to sign into ChatGPT-4. First of all, let's go to our browser, and in the search bar of our browser, let's type GPT-4 and go to the first site that you see. Now, after you have been led to this page, slide down, and right here below try on ChatGPT Plus, you can notice join API waitlist. Just click on that. Now in this page, you have to enter your first name, your last name, email, company name, and organization ID. So after you have filled out all the information, right here you should see a bunch of options. It's about what you would like to use ChatGPT-4 primarily for. Now you can choose one of the options, and in this particular option, developers would like to hear if we have any specific ideas to build ChatGPT-4. It's not that all the ideas will get accepted, but they might be considered. So after you have done this, go to account settings. You'll be directed to the pages zone, and from here you can log in or sign up. If you do have an account, you can log in, or else you can sign up as a new account. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.